So I recently got myself the Leica Q3 43, okay, and before I received the camera, I was actually looking for a bag that can actually carry this around with me and yet not too big because I don't like big bags and shows people how premium the camera is, right? So I need a bag that looks very premium as well. And in the end, after scouring the internet, I found this one called Oberwerth. Let's talk about it. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So this is a very short video because I just want to share with you this new bag that I got for my Leica Q3, okay? The brand is called Oberwerth and they are actually a bag company from Germany. Apparently from their website, they are a very experienced bag maker, especially in use of leather. So as you can see, for this bag that I have here, they are using premium quality leather, okay? And before you ask, this is actually the smallest model in their classic line. I wanted a very small bag, okay, because I don't want to carry like a very big messenger bag when I want to fit just one camera. Hence, I picked the Bayreuth. So this is called the Bayreuth, by the way. And the material for this is actually finest vegetable tan leather and it's sourced exclusively from Tuscany, okay? And according to their website, although it never says that it's for the Q series, it says it's for the Leica T series and also for Fuji X-E2, I can still fit my Leica Q3 inside with the strap perfectly and snugly. The bag itself has a certain shape to it, so it doesn't melt to the table if you don't put anything inside. So as you can see, it retains its shape, okay? Hence, it's very premium looking. And the strap is also made of the leather that I mentioned just now, and it's actually quite firm and quite hard, okay? But I understand that premium leather like this, you need to use it for a while for it to become a little bit softer and more comfortable to use. Okay, so when we open the lid, right, we can actually see like the biggest compartment here, square in shape, has a little compartment on the side here for us to put, you know, things like notepads, pens and stuff like that. And of course, in the middle is where we put our Leica Q3 camera. And on the outside, there's also a small little pouch and it's quite spacious. As you can see, I put my hand inside here. So you can actually put in like power banks. What else can you put? Keys, earbuds and stuff like that. And two things I want to point out, okay? The first thing is there are two flaps here that looks like dog ears, okay, to basically cover your camera from protection from the sides, okay, because when you cover it from the top, the sides are actually open, but with this dog ear, it actually protects the camera, which is good. And another thing is the locking mechanism with the Oberwerth logo in front is very secure because you need to twist it and pull it in order to unlock the bag. So from my usage, I realized that it's very sturdy, it's very solid. If you're looking for a very solid and also a very firm bag for your camera, then this is probably your very good option for the Leica Q3 because I know I've searched all over the internet and there's not many bags that is made specifically for like Leica cameras except for this, okay? So the price for this is about 420 euro. If you want to convert it to ringgit, it's about 2000 plus ringgit. So yeah, check out the links in the description below if you want to find out more because they have a lot more types of bags on their website for sale. Pick the one that is right for your camera and also for your usage, okay? So that is all. If you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all social platforms and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Yo!